birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Jaden.
Can I eat
One more, ha?
Happy birthday.
Can I eat the Lego?
Go.
Again, one more.
Doon yung ano na ito. Arts ah. One more blow. Happy birthday, Jaden.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Oh. How old are you to say what the koala?
What's your wish?
Okay, I'll wish for it.
You said it ng Jem, maybe.
What's your wish? Louder. Gagalugi.
Ano daw wish
Come
niya?
here. Come here.
Mga langgam na stable.
Gagalugi.
Yung mga langgam na.
Ragdoll Woody. Come here. Sit down dito. You say happy birthday, self.
Happy birthday, self.
Sit down. Look at Nang Nang, oh. Look at Nang Nang.
You're welcome.
Wow,
what's that?
You have a gift.
Oh, wait. Sit down dito.
Sit down, later na. Sit down.
Smile here. Show it to ma'am. Kay ma'am dito. Oh, sa right. Right. Dito. Ayan. Dali. Open mo.
Ito, ma'am.
Said it doesn't talk, but look. Oh, why does it talk? Can I open it?
Yeah.
Look here muna.
Hold mo muna.
When Kaya visit us, I will show him my toy. When he goes in our house.
Yay! Jaden's birthday.
Oh, how old are you na, Jaden? You're not 4 now because you're...
I'm 5.
Yeah.
You're a lolo.
Nana!
Ano siya?
You're a lolo.
It's so cute. It's so
You're
nice.
a lolo.
Also, you can remove the hat.
Really?
How did you know?
Because look.
Did you buy that?
Because I did. I saw this. The head can remove.
No, I think you're kasama. Ang binili.
The head. Let's use it to cut.
You check.
Talks. It talks. I told you it talks.
And it.
It. Ragdolls.
But be careful naman, ah.
This is a nice movie. It's still talks. What? Okay, I'll tell.
Oh, you listen to it or tell me.
lagay ko na dyan.
Reach for the sky.
Picture mo muna kami tatlo, te. Ganito na lang. Ganito na lang.
I like it.
Next is your birthday.